If your kitchen counter looks like a science lab, you're a true DIYer. If mason jars are taking over your pantry, you're one of us. And if you love saving money, well, you're about to love this hack. Today we're building our own vacuum sealers for mason jars using nothing but 3-inch Schedule 40 PVC end caps and a bit of creativity. Grab a 2-foot piece of PVC pipe from your local hardware store, Home Depot has them, and slice off a 2-inch section with a trusty hacksaw. Smear on some silicone sealant, slide the pipe into the cap, and let's call that a perfect fit. Drill a hole to match your vacuum hose. Mine was a snug 0.215 inches, but check your sealer's hose size. For a tight airtight seal, stick some 3 8-inch foam rubber, weather strip works too, around the rim. Wide mouth jar, hit it with a sander for extra clearance, but honestly that's just being fancy. All in, about $20 and 30 minutes of work. That's a bargain compared to $60 online. Happy sealing, DIY heroes.